Good evening, friends. Welcome to Mona's Trading View for 30th June 2021. In my yesterday's trading view, I had mentioned that Nifty is still in an uptrend and one can buy Nifty keeping a stop below 15,750. That stop loss was taken out in today's trade. But still, there is no change in the direction of the market. It is still up. In any uptrend, 2 days of negative closing is allowed. Going into derivatives data also, no short buildup was seen. Hence, still the trend remains up and for long-term traders, the stop loss of 15,650 and 670 level still holds for first target of 16,000 and 16,020 levels. The stop loss of 1560, it should be 15,650. Moving on to short-term charts now. Nifty went down sharply in late afternoon trade and made a low of 15,720 thereabouts. It recovered smartly towards the end of the closing trade. Tomorrow, one can buy Nifty only if it takes out 15,800 on the upside. The stop loss for the same trade will be at 15,720. The 80-point zone between 15,800 and 15,720 is a no trade zone. On the upside, the first target is 15,840 and then the second target will be 15,880 levels. Bank Nifty now. Bank Nifty closed at 35,000, down by about 350 points. Still, Bank Nifty is also trading in a sideways mode, one day up, one day down sort of move. The long-term trend of the Bank Nifty remains upward. Those people who are long-term traders, their stop loss remains at 34,500 levels, which is marked here. And for those people who want to enter Bank Nifty can re-enter at these levels as the stop loss is very near to them. The first target for Bank Nifty on the upside continues to be at 36,000. Later on, if 36,000 is taken out, other 300 to 500 point rally in Bank Nifty can be expected. If we move on to short-term charts, just like Nifty, Bank Nifty also is in a no trade zone tomorrow in between 35,200 and 34,900 on the downside. If 35,200 is taken out on the upside, then with a stop loss below 34,900, one can go long in Bank Nifty for a target of 35,300 and 35,400 levels. But I believe for short-term traders, it is wise to avoid Bank Nifty, which is trading in a range unless 35,800 is taken out on the upside. Now the stocks that are in my watch list for tomorrow's trade are Cipla. Current market price is 983, stop loss of 970 and a target of 1010. Marico is also a buy at current market price of 540, stop loss 520 for a target of 570. UBL is also a buy at current market price of 1450, stop loss of 1415 and a target of 1500. Moving on to derivatives data now. Nifty ended the day lower by 66 points to close at 15,748. Minor profit booking was seen in Nifty futures, which closed lower by 0.4% and open interest going down by 0.5%. Nifty PCR is at 0.82. Amongst Nifty options first July expiry, put writing was seen at 15,500 and at 15,700 levels. Call buildup was seen at 15,900 as also at 15,800. Bank Nifty closed at 35,010, lower by 350 points. Fresh shorts was seen in Bank Nifty as open interest was up 2.5%, with Bank Nifty closing lower by 1%. For Bank Nifty, PCR is at 0.63, which I believe will lead to call buildup being squeezed. Massive profit booking was seen by FIIs in index futures segment. The net sold contracts in indices worth rupees 1,301 crores. Their net open interest contracts going down by 11,729. Market breadth was negative. VIX was at 13, down 3%, meaning that people are confident in the current uptrend. A look at the FII activity for 29 June 2021. A look at the open interest chart for 1st July expiry. Like yesterday, the only stock that is in ban for tomorrow's trade is National Aluminium. Thanks for watching. Good night.